$5, I'll leak your daddy, y'all. Come on, man, lock in, bro.
It's your boy Mo. I'm here with my boy Walter.
Yo, what it do?
And we were working on a video for you guys showing how to swap the brakes on a Honda Navi when we realized that his front forks are bent or out of alignment somehow. And upon further inspection, we found out that they're not even attached at all. Wait, bro.
Yo.
Why are your forks bent right here? Like,
oh yeah.
If you look up in there, like, or come over here, dude. Look. Plastic's like bending out because the fork is... Dude, they're not attached to anything.
No way.
Bro, here, give me this. Come feel mine, dude. You see how like the plastic right here is flat too?
Yeah, yours is flush.
And then, dude, yeah, both sides, look at, you can see like it's like sticking out. This plastic should be straightforward. Let me show them. On this side, you can see my plastic, it's literally straight. You can't see it sticking out at all, right here, flat. And you come around to this one and it's sticking out. And if you reach in there, his front fork is literally being held in place by this plastic. This is the same thing that happened to Billy on his Navi. Okay, so that could have been really, really bad. I'm glad that I caught that. So I think it's just something that over time, the front forks get loose and you just got to keep your eye on them and make it part of your regular, 10K mile check that you would do when your Navi gets into that high mileage. So on this episode, we're going to go ahead and open up the front end, take a look at the forks, and hopefully get this Navi back on the road. Let's do it. All right, so I've had to open the front end on my Navi a bunch of times, and I'm really familiar with how to do this. It's super easy. All you need is a screwdriver and a 10 mil, if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna go ahead and just start by popping all of these out. All 4 out. So once we got those 4 screws out, we can just go ahead and pull this off. So Walter has an aftermarket headlight. He has 2 things running here, but most people are just gonna have this one. All you need to do to take it off, support your light, and then just pull it apart. It's like a plug. For this one though, we'll go ahead and pop it down and pull it off. Put that to the side. Tell us about your headlight.
So my headlight, I originally didn't like the yellow one, the OEM one. I didn't like it at all. So I went with an aftermarket one. It turned out to be way better. It was the LED one. I'll provide Mo with the link so you can provide it with you guys on the bottom of the video. You guys should check it out. If you guys really don't like the yellow one, this is a great alternative. It doesn't come scratched like that. Don't worry about that. But yeah, it works.
Once you got this opened up, move these wires and you'll see right in here, there's a Phillips screw here and in the same spot on the other side that we're gonna go ahead and take out. Now we're gonna take a 10 mil to this center bolt right here. So once that's off, in order to get this off, there's actually 2 clips that are here. Before we even go any further, if I just pull this plastic piece off, you could see Walt's front fork and where it's supposed to be. Oh my god, dude, that's insane. And it was just being held in by this piece of plastic. Now that it's not here, it's just kind of like dangling here. The bolts are missing, so we're gonna have to figure out some hardware for that. But yeah, that's crazy. He's been riding around like that. Did you take the freeway here? Yeah. Walt on the freeway with no forks, bro. I'm glad you made it.
Me too.
Oh man. So we went on Partzilla and we looked up the parts diagram. We found it's part 25, the bolt that we're missing. And that one is all the way here at the bottom. It is an 8x18 bolt flange. So it's an M8 by 18. We're gonna go get 2 of those and try to get them in there. All right, so we went all around yesterday looking for these 2 bolts and we just could not find them at any hardware store or AutoZone or anything like that. So we called our local Honda dealer and placed an order through them and we finally got the bolts. It's time to install these back on Walt's bike and get him back on the road. Let's do it. Okay, so we got the bolts that fit, but you can see these are not lined up. We're gonna push the wheel and the bike together to try to get these to align and then get these in there so we can tighten them up. Wish us luck. Nice, okay. Hold up, push more. Pull it out towards you. Like it needs to be like more towards your knuckle, towards this knuckle.
Pull it where?
Pull it towards you and then more towards the thumb. It's just barely off still. Here, swap with me, let me pull it and then you try to put this in. How'd you do it? Secure the wheel and pull?
I literally secure the wheel, pull that.
There it is.
Nah, pull it.
Yeah. Get the wrench socket thing.
All right, no drop.
I got you. Okay, we got this one lined up. I'm just using a wrench just to kind of get it in there a little bit so it can help us get this other side lined up. All right, we got them both in. We got them tightened with the wrench. Tight as fuck. I don't know the proper torque specs, but we just went a bunch of ooga doogas on them. Looking good. Time to get this all closed up, and then we'll be on our way. All right, so once you get these side plastics put back on and in place, you're gonna push in the two middle pieces and then feed the screw right through. Almost forgot, but make sure you put this rubber cap back in place. It just goes in here and you just push it down and it'll just stick into place. So if we come around here, you'll remember we had removed this bolt from over here. So let's put those in. Last thing before we put the headlight in, we're gonna tighten this bolt. 10 mil. Nice. All right, now we'll go ahead and plug our headlight back in. It's gonna be to the white one over here. Walt has this extra one. If you have one of these like cool LED headlights, you'll have this as well. But if you don't gotta worry about that. All right, now we'll just take our 4 securing screws for the headlight, tighten them down. Boom, and just like that, we got rid of the sketchy fork situation on Walt's bike. He is back in business. Thanks for watching today's episode. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to hit a like down below. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with everything we got going on across the Honda Navis and all the other bikes we got. We really appreciate your support. Ride safe.